Alright, we're in the vault. We're playing Javier's favorite game, Moon Race Lightning Link. We had $200 in free play. We put that in there. Plus we had a ticket for 65 bucks. And we hit our first bonus at $5 a spin, 10 centino. Let's get it. Alright. Those are the totals up there. Let's get a mini. Come on, one time. Mini or minor. Yeah, that's it. Alright. Alright, so far we went to $30 of the free play. $5. Alright, we'll come back with the next bonus. Look at that, very next spin. Back-to-back bonuses with the mini for $100. Let's get it. See, all this time Javier's the bad luck. I knew that astronaut gave him the anal infection. Come on, one more mini. There we go, nice. Only 2 more spots. Do it one time. I could use the $68,000, God knows. Come on, one time, please. You bastard. Alright, it's pretty sweet. Back-to-back bonus. I think we got like $200, maybe even more. Exactly 200. Hey, 2 spins, $300 in bonuses. We'll take it. Alright, very nice. Alright, we're gonna play another $65 worth and get off this machine. Alright, we came downstairs to the high limit room here, and we're going to play Tiki Fire. Brian Christopher is right around the corner there, so if you hear a woman screaming, that's him. We cashed out for $391 upstairs, and we're going to do $100 in free play on this game here. Volume's up, 10 centino, $5 a spin, let's get it. Alright, those tikis are wild. Thank you to the pig that was sitting here before me. Look at this. It's supposed to be the high limit room too. Let's see. Oh yeah. I need 3 of those volcanoes for free games. We got queens for $5, $6, 7. Get a screen full of those tikis. That's not bad. 4 of a kind. $27. Got 5 more spins. See if we can catch anything. $3 there. $0.50. There you go. Last spin of our free play. Hey, last spin miracle. There we go. That's how we do it. Somebody's playing Eureka Blast behind me. Hey, what's up, brother? How are you? See what we get. See if you're bringing me good luck or bad luck. We'll see. Not so far for the first 2 spins. Alright. We got 2 more spins left. Hopefully we hit something. Wow. Really crappy. Oh, what a dick. How did they do that to you? Alright, you said you were good luck, right? No, I'm not. Alright, what can we do? Oh, that was so nice. If we would have got another 2x there, I probably would have been a hand pay, but oh well. Alright, we got 459 and we're going to get off this and go find something else. Alright, we're going to try a machine we never played before. It's called 88 Fortunes. It's a nickel denom. The grand is just huge. And we put $100 in cash plus another 50 in free play. And I believe it's 440 a spin. So we're going to do all 5 symbols. Yep, 440 a spin. Let's get it.
You may also claim your spot either in the vault or high limit slots concierge.
Sorry about the volume on here. Looks like a really old machine. This is like the original dancing drums. Ooh, that should be good. I paid $30. We've got $19 left of the 50 free play. Alright, we need 3 of those gongs in the left for the bonus. Alright, last spin of our free play.
Still looking for 2 more lucky winners. Jonathan M. Player's ID 203.
Okay, we won $47 off 50, not bad.
And
almost even money. We're gonna keep going.
1019754. Our lucky winners have 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining to make their way over to Bar, located on the 1st floor of the casino.
Oh, I needed the wild in the second reel. That would have been nice. Oh, let's get a bonus on this game. The bowl is full too. Alright, we lost all our profit. There we go. Spin. 250 there. Oh, we got close that time. Need another wild or a gong. Yeah, we're down to $80. Nothing. Oh, keep going. Only $3.75 for that. Alright, that's $8 for the turtles. I think the turtles are the second, oh no, they're the 3rd best symbol. Alright, we got those jars. That was 25 bucks. That was our second best hit. Let's see if we can get a bonus. We'll close the bowl at least. We close the bowl, $65. Minimum. Minimum and likely. I got about 12 spins left. Ah! Give us that damn turtle on the fourth reel. Oh, wild. That would have been nice. Oh, nothing there. Oh, come on. Here's a wild in that second reel. Oh, we got about 6 spins left. Damn it. Alright, last spin. What a dick. Alright, that's it. That was 88 fortunes. Alright, yeah, 88 fortunes. Oh, my head is freezing. Let me ask you guys something. How come when you're trying to get out of the elevator and the door's open, there's always some asshole standing right in front of the elevator trying to get in? It's like they don't have common sense. Like, take a few steps back in case there's people trying to get off the elevator. Let them off first. Ugh. There's a certain group of people that keeps doing that too. Like they have no concept of it. I'm not gonna say who, but anyways, we won a couple $100 tonight. It's getting real busy, as you can see. Look, VIP. Woo. Packed. So we won a few $100. Not bad. We're gonna go home. We'll take that. And we ate too. We ate salmon for the first time in a real long time. First time since the buffet closed. So it was like a year ago. The first time I had salmon. So, trying to eat right, get away from those burgers and burritos and pizza. Oh yeah, my head's freezing. Anyways, that's it for this episode. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the bell. And what else? Anything else? No, I guess that's it, right? We'll be back Sunday. Sunday is a diamond tournament. Hopefully we don't fuck up me and Javier like we did the last one. I don't know if it's going to be upstairs or downstairs, but we'll find out. And then I told them, because the tournament's in the morning and afternoon, early noon, I go, let's go to Saboba afterwards. So I think I have like 20 or 30 bucks in free play from Saboba. So we might head on over there. So check that episode out later. All right, you guys take care. Bye.